how to change phone number on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your iPhone. So the first thing is, if you are using a physical SIM, you'll need to take it out. So you can use the SIM ejector. It's on the left hand side of the iPhone, and you'll need to pull it out, and then you need to put in the new SIM. And then once you've done that, you can head over to settings, go to the search bar, and then search for phone, tap on it, and then you'll need to scroll down and you can see the my number option. You'll need to tap on it and then change your number there, and it automatically updates the number on the iPhone. And if you're using eSIM, you will need to contact with your phone carrier to change your number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.